And there's Luca Corberi watching at the side of the road. What's he doing? What is Luca Corberi playing at? Oh, Luca Corberi, what on earth is he doing? I'm sorry, that is absolutely unacceptable. As Kramers makes the move on Bas Lammers, Luca Corberi makes himself public enemy number 1. I'm sorry, that is absolutely unacceptable. And he's going to completely negate the officials. They're going to walk across the circuit with him, but Luca Corberi is walking in, and he should be waiting at the marshal post. So up front, it's Iglesias leading. Kramers second from Lammers. Fourth is Federer, Longhi, Hilbrand, Torzolini, Pohaka, Pex and Denner. So I would guess then that maybe it wasn't an engine seizure. He clearly feels that somebody's done him wrong in some way.